Hello, you beautiful divine soul. As we look at the natural rhythms and cycles of the season that we are in, as we are coming out of the darkness of winter and still in that final bit of the energies of winter, of the dark and the going within and the hibernating, as we're starting to come out of that, it's like we're at that balance point between winter and spring and starting to bring in and be connected to those renewal and springtime energies, those energies of fertility and abundance and awakening, right? Like coming out of the inward hibernation and having the rejuvenation of life. And it's during this time that I find that looking at our shadow, whether that's our personal shadow, our collective shadow, all of the above, and really going within and doing some deep inner work to face anything that we are ready to release, anything that is blocking us from greater healing or greater rejuvenation, greater abundance, really looking at that shadow and then also looking at the light and how we balance the shadow and the light and how do we cultivate more of the goodness of all that we want to live and all that we want to see in the world and that we want to radiate to uplift ourselves and others. And it's working with that balance point, just like in the season that we are in and the balance point between the cycles and seasons of nature right now. It's a perfect time to use that energy to create that balance point within us and to really go into what is the shadow for us. Shadow work has so many different definitions. It can be a little bit different for everyone. And so really harnessing what it is that you need around that. For me, not only just looking at maybe things that are hard or blocking me or things that it's time to face. But to me, going into the shadow is also going in just within, just like the dark of the winter brings us inward and brings us closer into our homes, and the state of the world has brought us closer into our homes. It makes me think of the energy of the bear and the spirit message of bear, of going within and the hibernation that occurs there. And so I feel like it's a very natural rhythm and cycle attuned with nature to go within and find what's needed within, and then to emerge just like the bear comes out of the cave in the spring, or like the butterfly comes out of the cocoon, and to emerge and find the expression of that newness of life and all that we are ready to create, especially as we have really been in a state in humanity of feeling a lot of pull between darkness and light, or that going within almost to the extreme and needing more connection in whatever way we can get it. And so it's really by working with both of those energies and both sides of that coin to find the balance and to really harmonize our state of being. I am wishing you all the best.